In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete duplicate transactions fast in QuickBooks Online. Duplicate transactions can cause a lot of confusion and inaccuracies in your financial records, so it's important to address them promptly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate, review, and remove those duplicates to keep your QuickBooks account clean and organized. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive in and begin. The first step is to navigate to the gear icon. You'll find this located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all your accounts are listed, and it's the place we'll need to go to identify and address duplicate transactions. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, locate the specific account that contains the duplicate transaction. Take your time here. This could be a bank account, a credit card account, or any other account where you've noticed duplicate entries. When you've found the account, look to the far right side of its row. You'll see an option that says View Register. Click on that to open the account register. The register is essentially a detailed list of all the transactions associated with that account. Now, it's time to scan through the list of transactions. Carefully go through them to identify duplicates. If the list is extensive and you're having trouble spotting duplicates, you can sort the transactions by date or by amount. Sorting can make it easier to spot entries that are identical or nearly identical. Once you've identified a duplicate transaction, click on it to open its detailed view. This will allow you to review the transaction details more closely. Double-check everything, such as the date, amount, and description, to confirm that this transaction is indeed a duplicate. If you've verified that the transaction is a duplicate, you're ready to delete it. Look for the Delete option within the transaction details and click on it. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the deletion before proceeding. When prompted, click Yes or OK to confirm that you want to delete the duplicate transaction. Once you've done that, the transaction will be removed from your account register and your records will be updated accordingly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently remove duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online, helping to ensure your financial data stays accurate and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.